Hi, in this demo I'm going to show you how to log into SeeSaw on a school-issued Chromebook. In this case, I'm already logged into the Chromebook and I'm on the SeeSaw webpage, which is the first tab that shows up for the elementary students. Click on the I'm a Student link and then near the top click Sign in with Google. From here, choose the student's email address from the list and this will take you to your Google or your SeeSaw classroom. In the upper left hand corner you'll see the student's name. If you click on that link, it'll show you all of the classes that you have this student in this case, I'm going to go to the demo classroom that I've created. In your case, you're probably going to see your main teacher. You're also going to see a library, a PE, and art, and some other classes. But in this case, I'm going to go to the demo classroom. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is the journal. The journal is going to show all of the past work that the student has created. The Activities tab over here on the right will show all of the tasks that have been assigned to the student. These are activities that the teacher has set up for the kids to complete. And then on the right hand side over here, you're going to see the inbox. The inbox is a place to find messages sent to you from the teacher. This will typically be where you find the link for the Google Classroom meetings so that your students can join in online sessions. For now, I'm going to click on Activities. And in this assignment here, the multiplication problem solving, you'll see that you have instructions. These are the steps for the student to complete the task. Optionally, there may be an audio instructions included with the task, something from a teacher kind of narrating what to do. To submit this task or to complete this task, have the student click on the Add Response green button here. So I'm going to click that, and that's going to allow me to edit the item. The background here is basically the worksheet that's been uploaded for the assignment. Near the top of the screen, you will see a View Instructions button. If you click that button, you can see the instructions from the previous screen. Along the left-hand side, you're going to see several tools. The text box here, or the T, adds a text box. Once you click the T, it'll add a text box and you can drag it over to the area you want to, and when you click in it, you'll see that there's a cursor there. You can type what you need to do. So in this case, I'm going to go 5 times 4 equals 20. So now I've added a text box to that. I can click to drag it and rotate it. Once I have it highlighted, I can click the triple dots. I can change the style to make it look a little different. Along the bottom, you'll notice that you have the hand tool, which lets you grab the object and move it around. You also have a pencil, a pen, a highlighter, and a marker to allow you to annotate or add things to this worksheet. And you also have an eraser tool if you make a mistake. So here, if I click on pencil, you'll notice on the right hand side we have a color chooser which lets you pick which color you want to do. If you pick on the pencil tool again, you'll see that you have different thicknesses for the line. So here I can draw a thin line, or I can click the pencil tool again, change it to a thicker line, and I can modify it that way. If there's something I don't like, I can click on the eraser tool and erase what I see. Another option I want to highlight to you, in the upper left hand corner we have the undo and redo options. If you click undo, it'll undo your changes. If you click redo, it'll bring them back. So you can step through your changes like that. So if you make a mistake, don't worry about it. You can always undo it there. So for the upper right hand corner, it wants to do repeated addition. So I'm going to click my pencil tool. So for the repeated addition, I'm going to do 4 plus 4 plus 4 and continue. There we go, so something like that. Now this is done with a trackpad. With a trackpad or mouse, it's not going to look as good as it does in paper. Ironically, my personal handwriting is about what this looks like, so it's about the same. But really, it's all about getting the work done, not so much as judging for how sloppy it is. You can write with a trackpad or a mouse. So another task of this is to do an array. So at the bottom, I want to do kind of dots in rows and columns. So here I'll click on the pen tool. I'll click on it again so I can pick a big dot like this. And I'll just go ahead and add some dots. And again, sloppiness is not necessarily a bad thing here. You're doing the best you can with a trackpad or a mouse. And then over here, they want groups. So I'll just use my pencil tool. I'll change colors just to make it fun. And I'll start just doing some groups over here. So here I have 4 different groups, and I'm going to go ahead and just circle them just so I can highlight where the groups are. And then the last thing they want to do is put kind of a word problem up here. So here I added a little text explanation of the equation, and then using the hand tool, I'm able to make this smaller to fit within the box. And I can rotate it, give it a little angle, that kind of thing as well. So these are how you use the basic tools within SeeSaw so you can handle assignment. Once you're done with your assignment, you can click on the check mark, and that will submit your assignment to the teacher. So here it'll say waiting for teacher approval, and once that's done, it'll show up in your journal here as a completed assignment. So thanks for watching, and I hope that gives you just an overview of how to handle an assignment within SeeSaw.